Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have the Happlee's finger paints for children, and this is what it came in. And we're going to open it. I'm not going to paint with it though, because this is Ari and Angel. Well, I don't know what Angel's going to play with the finger paints too much, but Ari, that's what she likes to do. So how's everybody doing? I am doing fine. Having a hard time getting into this stuff. Okay, so this is 12 colors, and let's see if there's anything. There we go. Okay, nothing much except for the 12 colors down in the bottom there. The 12 colors. So let's open it up. Let's just see what it looks like. They make these boxes difficult for old people to open them. That's okay, because it makes it difficult for little people to get them. So these come like this. So she'll have fun with these. I really should have probably had her on to paint, but I actually will and probably will. There's no card or anything in it. It's just the paints. And again, there's 12 of them in 12 different colors, so I like this for her. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.